my last video, I talked about how the forex market works, which currencies are traded in the market, when currencies can be traded, why trade foreign currencies, what tools you need to start trading forex, and what it costs to start trading forex. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufela Eniton, also known as Ika. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to use these apps and where they best fit in to ensure accuracy throughout your trading journey. To the glory of the Most High God. Ordinarily, as a trader, before you think of diving into a trade, you want to make sure that you're not going to get kicked out of the trade as soon as you make an entry due to maybe economic news, besides other unforeseen market conditions that are likely to go against your analysis. So there are a few apps I like to check for upcoming news events that are likely to happen during or before a trade session. I don't often trade the news, so I personally like to avoid these times. I always get updated on upcoming news events prior to a session. So this is the Tradays app. It is made by Metatrader Limited. They made the trade execution app, that's the MT5 and the MT4. So now you want to be checking the news related to your currency pairs. Like for instance, now tomorrow is July 8th, tomorrow Monday, July 8th. So there's going to be an all-day meeting for euro related pairs, and if you look down here at the importance part of the news, you can see where you have medium written down. Now this medium indicates that the news effect is going to be a medium impact news. So you have to consider all those things, like if you want to be a news trader or not to be a news trader, you have to know like what news you have to know the news that is like upcoming to your trade session, and the news the impact the news is going to be, the impact of the news is going to be on the market or on the currency pairs that you are taking. So if you look down, this is 12, the time zone here is GMT, so it's the Nigerian time. So if you look here, you see a Japanese flag at this labor cash earnings year after year. It's a type of news that they do in Japan. I don't know what it is related. I don't know what it really entails, because first of all, I don't take any currencies relating to the JPY, or this might be an intra-personal news like within the Japanese economy. So there is a news by I'm just trying to explain what these old labels mean, like the timing and everything. So now you can see there's a news by 12:30, like that's midnight. There's a news by 12:30 with this Japanese flag. There's another one too by 12:30. And now with these Tradays, the color at this sides here, the color can also the color also like indicates the impact of the news. On the Tradays app, different apps with their mode of indications or indicators vary, but like on this Tradays app, when you see a gray line by the side, a gray vertical line by the side, that indicates a low impact news. You understand? So like, and this one you can see for the euro meeting, the medium impact news is colored yellow. So that means the high impact news are going to be colored red. So there's really nothing much to do on this Traders app. It's very basic, it's simple and easy to use. So you just need to just look for, like for instance, now you have an upcoming session, maybe Asian session, and for Asian session you are taking JPY related pairs. So you know that you want to be like to be skipping you want to be skipping the sessions if you have like news coming up at that time of the session. Okay, now for instance, you want to run up your analysis for Asian session, and then you have a news for 12:30, but then you are not the type, you're not a news trader. You don't really, you don't fancy trading news, or you are not just into it. You can just, like, on this Tradays app, you can, like, you can see the time that the news is going to come up, and also, like, set a reminder. You just swipe to your right if this is a mobile phone version, so you can check it out on a system, a laptop, to see how it works. But on the phone, you can just swipe it out. If you have an iPhone, just swipe it to your right, then, like, set a reminder, a notification alarm, a notifier, or, like, a to notify you. So you can, like, set your time for maybe 15 minutes reminder. So, like, that is if you are in an ongoing trade and, like, you want to exit because of upcoming news. So you can do all this, set like maybe 30 minutes alarm before the news hits. Go to other, look out for other economic news relating to your currency pairs, and, like, do the same. This exports M is a German related news. You see this one is Swedish foreign currency reserves, the Swedish related news, the low impact news. You see the Great British news, the BOE MPC member Askel speech, blah blah blah. That's a medium impact news. You see the 12 p.m. Brazilian news coming up at 12 p.m. So you see the US news for 3 p.m. CB employment trends index is a low impact news. You can also click on the news, scroll down, read about what is going to happen, so you can have a foresight of what to expect. But it's a low impact news. But I would advise that you shouldn't, like, you know whether or not you have made your analysis, and, like, all your confluences has been met technically. The news, whether a news is going to be a low impact or medium or high impact, they are going to have one or two effects on your trade. It could spike in your favor, and it can also spike against you. So my risk management is, I don't, the news does not, like, my risk management does not cover trading news sessions. So I like to avoid news session. You can trade the news if you want to. I mean, no gods, no glory. It's all about taking a risk and everything. But I just don't buy news sessions. Like, I don't trade news sessions. So moving on, let me go to the Myfxbook. That is this app. That's the Myfxbook app. Now, this app is also is similar to Tradays, but, like, this one has more details. Like, okay, if you are looking at the directions of what a currency pair that you want to take, goes to the Myfxbook app, is going to show you. So you see, but the way things are positioned are just entirely different. Like, here you have the country flag on the right hand side, you have the impact of the news on the left hand side. Then where you see this check sign, this green check sign, shows that the news has already played. So you are able to, with what you have seen so far, you have seen the differences between these news apps. So you want to have all these apps on your phone, like, so as to know when to run your analysis, what to expect during so time. Do you understand? When to enter the market, when to exit the market. So this Myfxbook app also has its own reminder feature. Like, okay, tomorrow, Monday, July 8th, there are 36 events that are going to happen tomorrow. So you can see the 36 events counting from now. The first event is 7 hours from now and 38 minutes, which is this construction PMI, which is for 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. So on this on this Myfxbook, you can also set a reminder. If you want to. So after having signed up for my Myfxbook app, just like if you want to set your notifications like for upcoming news events prior to a session, you just click this bell button at the top right corner of your screen, and then you also, okay, let me go to tomorrow's news. Pardon me for staying there. So let me go to tomorrow's news. I'm there. Yeah, so at this construction PMI June, for I think this is an Italian flag, or I don't know the flag sharp, but it's a euro currency related news. So then I just click on the news that I want to get notified at prior to a session or during a session or something. So you just tap here, tap the news. I like my USD pairs, so I'm going to look for best dated pairs. Okay, there's news in 20 hours, 24 minutes from now. This is my news. I click save. So once I click the save, you can see the icon, the bell icon has changed. That means that like it is already like there are already some events that alarms have been set for there. So you can also see, when you tap it back, you see the ones that you have set the alarm for. So then you have this other button here, these 3 lines here. You can also do a whole lot of things on the Myfxbook app. You can check the news, like check the fluctuations of currency pairs. You can see today is Sunday, so this is news related to what happened on Friday or the previous days. So, and it is on the 1 minute time frame here, as you can see on the top right corner of the screen. So this Myfxbook has more features than the Tradays. The Tradays is just for you to know when there's a news coming up and when the news is going to end. So this Tradays covers a whole lot of news related events, or covers everything regarding news. You can always find it. You can always trust Myfxbook for it. Then there are also other apps besides the Myfxbook, like you have the Daily FX, you have the Forex Factory. Some don't have apps. Some you rather go to, they are like you can only access them through websites, like through their links. For instance, www.forexfactory.com, then investing.com too. You can also check out some news apps like CNBC, CNN, Bloomberg, and every other ones that you can find in your app store. But you can always download this Myfxbook from your app store. And the Tradays is made by MetaCodes. So I'm still going to talk about MetaCodes app. It's made by MetaCodes, the same MetaCodes that make your trade execution app. So I'm still going to get there. But for now, this is Myfxbook, and I've also talked about the Tradays, which are like the two most important apps, like one of the two most important apps that you should have in your, like on your, like, I don't know how to put it, your phone store, your phone, whatever. So I use the Tradays to check my news, like I said. Then I also use the Myfxbook to verify what the Tradays have told me, because sometimes you might find some upcoming news in the Tradays, I might not find it in the Myfxbook, and you might find some in the Myfxbook, you might not find it in the trading flow. So you want to also be verifying. That is why you need more than just one app for it. So if you still scroll down, you scroll to this outlook, you see what it does. It shows you what you can find there. That's the outlook on the Myfxbook app. You come down to the calculator. This calculator can be used to calculate your position size, the margin, the pip value, the whole lot of things that you can do here. Fibonacci, pivots, points, all those features. You can use it. You can use the Myfxbook app for it. You can also check a list of top brokers across the globe. Like you see them. They come like they follow the way they are arranged. They are like are based on their rankings. Do you understand? So this is 8 cap. They also sponsor the Tradays. The Myfxbook app. They're a broker and they're the ones that own this Myfxbook app. So you have other brokers too, FBS, IC markets, blah blah blah. They are XM, ATFX, FP Market, Forex Time, Monitor, Apari, FX Pro, Blueberry Markets. There are a whole lot of brokers. There Pepperstone, XNES, Robo Forex, Vantage, a whole lot, Derive. So that's what you find on the top brokers button. And just have your settings, start screen portfolio. Okay, let me change mine to calendar because I don't have anything. I'm not doing anything on the portfolio. I don't have anything in the portfolio on Tradays. I mean on Myfxbook app. So these are the settings you want to leave turned on. Your notification sound for your portfolio, sound for any market activity, sound for calendar. You want to have everything turned on. So whenever I start my Tradays app now, this is where it will take me to. So that's it for Tradays. So the next app you want to look at is your TradingView app. So this app now is for technical analysis. This fantastic app that I love to use. It's best for technical analysis where you have to use your strategy, your support and resistance, everything. So on this TradingView app, you have the watch list button, you have the chat button, you have the explore. Wait for this chart to load. You have the chat button here, you have the explore button here where you get to see news, ongoing news too, as well as you having the feature to run up your analysis. So you have the explore button, you have the ideas button. You get to see different opinions of other traders like you, get to see analysis. Sometimes you can almost get signals here, but the accuracy is not just as certain as when you do your own analysis by yourself. So you can see I'm using a free version of TradingView, so you can also sign up for yours too. So you can see the feature pretty easy. Your watch list, you can add currency pairs that you want to. Let me add a currency pair, for instance now GBP, JPY. So when you search for a currency pair, you see the list of brokers by this right hand side there that provide live market data for this pair. So you can just choose anyone. I don't have a favorite for this. I just pick any random um, broker, but usually I just focus on the forex brokers, not the futures. So I can just choose Wanda or forex.com or Pepperstone or FXCM. Add it to the list. So add it to my list. You can see the thing highlighted, the ones that were just added, and I can also just like choose the most important ones that I want to be at the top. Flag, you click flag, red flag. So that is that about the TradingView app. Use it to do your analysis. Let me see. It will run up your analysis. You can see the pair that was just added. So I switched it to the pair that I just added. So use the TradingView. It has a whole lot of cool features. Use the different types of features that you can do with it. You can do a lot of things. So the TradingView app is one of the best apps that I can recommend for. I can totally assure you for good technical analysis. Cause in fact, when you get to, I'm going to be dropping a video. My next content is going to be a full video on how to use the TradingView app, like a tutorial video. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works, all these buttons that you find on the screen, which ones you should want to put as your favorite. So let's move on to the next app. So there are alternative apps to the TradingView app for technical analysis, but most of them don't often offer free membership features. They don't even give you the chance for free membership and for you to be able to use some of the features that they have, and they don't offer as much as the features that TradingView gives you. With TradingView, you can backtest your strategy. You can do a whole lot of stuff on TradingView. It's a very, very nice app. I love it. So let's move on to the fourth app. That's the trade execution app. So now this is the Metatrader. The Metatrader is made by the Meta Quotes Limited, the same people that made the Tradays news app. So now what this app is specifically used for is to place trade executions. So now this is a dashboard of my of my of my of my of my trading account. So here on the quotes button here, you see the number of pairs that I have on my watch list. You understand? You see their prices, the ask prices, the bid prices, and the spreads that were made in percentage on these instruments or currency pairs. So this is my chart. So it has its own buttons too for any quick analysis, technical analysis. That's its buttons. You can see the watch history, you can see the settings, see different settings. You can see it has its own Tradays, the economic calendar. Well, there's nothing much on it because it's a weekend. I would have shown you some more things that can be done. Okay, yeah, you have the buy and the sell button here. But the MetaTrader 5 is just for you to execute the market, enter the market, set your take profits, your stop loss, your market orders, a whole lot of orders that you can use on the trades. There are orders that you place when you expect the market price to get to. There are orders that you place when the market price has passed such price level, but then you are expecting that it will come. There is a type of order for it. So just make sure you stick around, subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, let me know what your take is on all this that I have said. Let me know what you think about all this I have said. So text me in the comment box, subscribe to this channel. So there are also other trade execution apps too besides this Metatrader. Metatrader has two versions. There's the Metatrader 4 and there is the Metatrader 5. So this is the Metatrader 5. It's more advanced than the Metatrader 4. This is the Metatrader 4 here. I don't have any account on Metatrader 4. The Metatrader, one thing I love about this Meta Quotes app is that, especially their trade execution app, is that they offer demo trading, paper trading. You understand? You can quickly set up a demo account for practice. You can set up demo account for practice. Okay, just register, blah blah blah, fill out the whole thing that you want to do. So the Meta Quotes app is very, very fantastic, especially their trade execution apps. So they are not just because they allow you place real life trades, but they also offer technical analysis, like I showed you in the MT5 app. They also allow you run technical analysis, and you can also like paper trade on them. Like, you can also demo trade. You can set up a demo account with the Meta Codes to further improve your practices. There are a whole lot of trade execution apps. Some that I don't want to mention their names, but then they are not just as they are not just as they don't just offer all these features. To be honest, like, you can't use demo account on them except if maybe you are logging into a live trading account. So I think, like, for me, MetaQuote is like the best so far because of all these three cool features that it has: the technical aspect, the demo trading feature, and also the trade execution features that it has. In your leisure time, try and get conversant with these apps. Download it, like, play with the apps, get familiar with it. You understand? Know what you need to know. Ask me any questions. My DMs are always open. Comment on the videos regarding any questions that you have about all these that I have said. I hope you found today's content very helpful and informative. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment on this video to show your support and also help reach a wider audience. And also, please hit the like button, hit the turn on post notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop another content. I'll be dropping a full tutorial video on my next content on how to use the TradingView app, like the features that I need, the tools that I need to use, a whole lot of things about it. I'll be talking about a whole lot of things on the TradingView app, so it's going to be interesting. So like this video, comment, hit the bell button, turn on post notifications so you can get notified when I post content back to back. You can get notifications. So don't stop hitting the like button. Share to your friends and family. Feel free to do that, to share it out to anybody, your friends, your family, your loved ones, your enemies. So subscribe for more content. Thank you all for your support. You can also follow Ikafxacademy on other social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, X, formerly known as Twitter, Telegram. We're everywhere. Search for Ikafxacademy, and my personal Instagram handle is olufella_ika7. Thank you all, and bye for now.